Bookmory, how to use. So here's Bookmory Reading Tracker app. A really popular, well-designed, well-built app in top charts. If you like reading books, this is one of the best reading trackers. So this is not the app where you're reading books. For that, you need to use like Kindle, whatever, like Amazon buy books there. This is only to track your ultimate book tracker for your inner bookworm, just to add books quickly to all formats, track your progress, personalize organization, insightful stats, stay motivated, remember more, review and reflect, cloud backup, password protection, everything. So for example, here is the app. Basically, you just see books in your library. You can easily add a new book. Just add a book by search barcode input. So you just add any book. You can just enter like any title, any author. It will just search. For example, you just add in the book, and then you can see. All right, I'll just save it, and then you just have it. Then you can just start reading. Then you can tap to change your progress, how much you read. I just read this, status reading, pause, gave up, I read it all, just save it, and then you're just tracking it for yourself, and then you can set the countdown automatically, and then just down, how much did you read, for example, and then here you have like day one and all your stats, how much you read, and this is your reading log inside of the app. So quite easy to use and super advanced actually. Then you have write down some notes you want to remember, so you can do that. You can track your achievements. Then there is your page, and a lot of the benefits in here, including no ads. You can have if you upgrade just $31 per year, if you see in here. So $31 per year, and that's just basically what it is in here. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. There were a lot of advanced settings, that's why people like it, a lot of customizations, a lot of interesting things. So there you have it. You can get this app by searching Bookmory Reading Tracker, Dong Su Moon. So I think this is a solo developer who created quite a few cool apps. You can see 13,000 ratings. So there are some small things, but overall people like it, and these are not bot replies. So this is genuine replies. So definitely recommended app.